Hi, I'm Kellen Bryant, and I'm a board-certified elder law attorney in Florida. And today I'm going to give an answer to should I set up an irrevocable income-only trust. There's other trade names out there, or protected names like Asset Protection Trust, Medicaid Spin-Down Protection Trust. They're all the similar concepts. So the question is whether or not you should set one up. And personally, I don't think it should matter if you're male, female, single, married. But what does matter is one factor. First factor is you have a hold and save mentality. If you're of the mentality that you want to set aside these assets specifically for a purpose, and you don't have any reason to set it up or to spend it on something, you're not a spendthrift, and you want to say, you know what, if long-term care happens to me and my family's asked to pay $8,000, I'd rather not be paid for $8,000. You're going to get the same care either way. So to have it protected, if you have that intent, you're a hold and saver. You're a great person to set up this income-only trust. Next, the reason you should set it up is you can't qualify for long-term care insurance, or it's way too expensive long-term care insurance. So if you feel that is a problem, can't qualify, or way too expensive, then there is this legal way to set up a trust to protect your assets from long-term care spin down, or if you're underinsured for that matter. So another factor that say that you're a good candidate would be that you're in your retirement, you're kind of through with the crazy spending and traveling schedule. If you feel like you're done with it and you're just kind of hanging, spending time with family, you're not really spending that much money. You're living on your budget. And you say, well, I think I'm not going to outlive my money. I better do something to protect it. Then yeah, you're a great candidate to set up the trust. Next would be is if you want to set it up if you have at least one good child, because what that good child can do is essentially help protect your assets. That's a good candidate. And so for asset side, if you have over $100,000 in assets, you're a good candidate. Or if you're single, if you're married, over $200,000. But you should definitely look into this if you've been recently diagnosed with Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, MS, or any other sort of long-term chronic illness. So if you're interested in learning more about information about the irrevocable income-only trust, you can visit my website at kellenbryantlaw.com. Thank you very much for watching.